Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. So today I'm here with a new project to share with you. This is a large 8x10 pop-up album, super fun and interactive. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you the final walkthrough of my newest project using my digital collection. This is the Winter Magic collection that I create for my Patreon each month. I also do have the digital collection link down below. I'll have it available on my website, and I will also be having the video class only listed below. But if you join Patreon every month, you receive a digital collection and also a tutorial working with this collection. This book is a little bit more detailed. I do have 8 videos on this class. I wanted to do a separate video for each one of the pages. I wanted to make the videos more detailed and also just easier to move through. If you are new making mini albums and you want to increase your skill a little bit and play around with some sliding features and pop-up pages, I think this is going to be a really fun book to try and to play with. This book measures 10 by 8 and it has a 2-inch spine. We have 3 very interactive signature pages, and then we have the inside covers here as well. So on the cover, I am just simply using some images from the collection. I'm keeping this very flat, and I just went ahead and put over here this kind of like pearl sentiment that says love. I really like the dimension that this brings, and it just makes the book look more delicate, more elegant. And so yeah, so let's take a look inside. When we opened this book here, on the inside front cover, I wanted the covers to stay really flat, the inside covers, but I also wanted to add something special, something cute. So we have these page that opens up like this, and this is a pocket here. So this comes out of the pocket on this kind of like 3-dimensional look to it, but you can also open it here, flip it back, and add a picture on there. You can use this as a pocket also, and or add a picture on the back right there. And then this section just slides back into the pocket, and then you just close that up like that. On this first page, this opens up like this. So we have this little gatefold page. Again, I love this collection. Over here I'm using the same sticker set with the pearls sentiment, and this says family. So it opens up like that, and then this section here opens down, and you can actually pull these flap back here or down, and you have a really large opening section here, so place for a picture. Up here as well, place for a picture. And then so you can close these up, and then this magnetizes here in place. So I wanted this book to be like a regular storybook, pop-up book, but of course you'll be adding your pictures in here. And so each one of the pages has this really large pop-up, and so it opens up like this. Let me show you this other view. And then over here you can add pictures. You can also add a picture back there, and then some pictures on the sides as well. So really fun and interactive book to collect your memories. So on the back over here we have this other beautiful image. So this opens up like this, and over here we have a double sliding page. So this slides and slides, so it just pulls. Move this over. It just pulls all the way, so you can add pictures everywhere in here, even some over there, and then they all come back to the center, and then this magnetizes here. And so that is this page. Then over here we have this other beautiful winter fairy. It opens up like that, and then this place for a picture also opens down, so some of the background paper here. And then this center page, you can add a picture, but this is also kind of like an accordion book over here, so it opens up like this, and then you can add pictures there, and then you can also add pictures on each one of these flaps right there, and then also here on the back. So it's a really fun movable page right there. And then this closes and closes, and this opens up, and we have another double pop-up page. So again, place for pictures, another place for a picture right there, and then the background as well. So all of these are the base pages. All of the base pages have a pop-up like that. And then we move to the back page, so more of that pearl decoration here, place for a picture. This opens down, and I just absolutely love the image here of the fairy with the bear. Let me open that over here, so place for a picture back there. And then this is another pull down page, so this pulls down like this, and then these two open up, so you can add a 5x7 here and a large area for a picture back there. And then all of these just goes back into the pockets. I'm just going to close that up and slide that back in place, and it also magnetizes there on the top. On this next page we have a pocket and this sweet little bunny here, and then this opens up, place for pictures, again 5x7s. I wanted to put a lot of 5x7 spaces, since that is mainly the size that I print if we go do kind of like a photo shoot, or if I love pictures, I like printing on that size. And then over here this page opens up like this, another one of these sweet little bunnies, place for a picture. And then over here we have on this little pocket, you just use that as a pull down, and we have a sliding waterfall, and so this will fit 6.5 by 5 pictures here. And then I just close that up and put that in the pocket. And then this opens up, and we have another one of the those double pop-up features right there, place for pictures as well. And that is gonna be this. And then over here on the next page we have a double sliding page as well, so these two sections open up. There's another little sweet little animal here, and then you open this up and this slides up, so you can put a picture over there. And then this one pulls down, and then it slides down here, so you can add another picture. And then these both magnetize back in place here, just push all the way in. And then for the inside back cover over here, this opens down, this opens up, and we have these kind of like a three-dimensional pictures place, so you can put a little Polaroid here if you have those from the what am I thinking, you know, the photo booth that they print this long strip. That would be really fun to put that in there. And then this opens to the side, and then this opens to the side here, and over here we have another floating photo area over there. And again, you can put a big 5x7, but I just went ahead and added some of the paper from the collection. And so I hope that you guys enjoyed the walkthrough of this book. Again, I'm gonna have the link down below if you would like to join my Patreon and enjoy a digital collection and tutorial every month. If not, I will also have these listed separate on my website, so you can enjoy just the collection and the video class by themselves. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.